Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to Ledger and Lace. Today I'm going to share a story about a trip I made to a furniture store in Farmville, Virginia. A friend of mine called and asked me if I wanted to go with her to a furniture shop. And apparently Farmville, Virginia is a mecca for furniture and things. And so we walked into this one store and there was this gorgeous leather sofa, and I just thought, oh, I'd love to have a traveler's notebook in that kind of leather. And 30 seconds later, we're at the back of the store. I look over at this sort of stairwell area, and there's this pile on the floor of fabric and remnants or whatever. And so I walk over and I said to the sales guy, are you going to put these in a bin and sell them? And he says, oh, no, I was just, those are on the floor to throw away. And I said, well, then can I buy them or have them? And he goes, oh, honey, you can have those. And so I was like, cool. So I'm going to show you what I got, and then I'll show you a couple things that I made with the leather. So first, these are the textiles, and you can see they came with, smaller pieces, and these measure two feet across, I think. And then here we go. This one I really like because the back is really cool. So it looks like a carpet, and it's super soft too. There's this one and this, very junk journal-y, shabby chic-ish. And then here we come with the leather. So it's all different thicknesses and textures and colors, and just really gorgeous. So there's that. I think this is the type of leather that started it all because it's very sort of distressed looking. And then this one, which is, I don't know, this is kind of a crappy color, literally. And then some of the leather was super floppy and, just like, so, and then this one, not as thick. If you know Chic Sparrow, Mr. Darcy, this is kind of like a Darcy. Here's another sort of distressed one. This is very pebbly and soft. And then this side is really soft too, like velvet. So you could do either side actually. And then here's this one. This is a really beautiful color, very soft and supple and lovely. Another good junk journal color. And this is a larger sort of grained pebbly one. And then this one. So let me show you what I made. And these are coming up in my new Traveler's Notebook course. So the first one is, this one was a really thin leather. So I made a book with it. And I'm purposely not showing you the spine because it's a secret. So you'll see in the class if you take it. And then the next one is this one. This was just this gorgeous, sort of rustic leather, and it already has an owner who's traveling to Scotland this summer. And so there's the back of it. And there you go. So I'm almost finished. I just have to finish some PDFs and stuff like that. But I'll have a link to the new course coming up. But it does leather. It incorporates the purses, the leathers. We're also going to do books, but I'll have a preview of that coming up, in the next few days. So until then, bye.